Hello, puzzlers! Welcome back to Garb Studio. Love those quirky sayings. Let's see if you can complete the idiom in this fun quiz. Hit play and get ready to test your knowledge. Good luck! Number 1. Bite the bullet, apple, cookie. Bite the bullet. Number 2. Break the glass, code, ice. Break the ice. Number 3. Once in a moon, blue, red, full. Once in a blue moon. Number 4. A piece of cake, pie, candy. A piece of cake. Number 5. Let the cat out of the hat, bag, box. Let the cat out of the bag. Number 6. Hit the nail on the head, top, bottom. Hit the nail on the head. Number 7. Costs an arm and a leg, foot, hand. Costs an arm and a leg. Number 8. The ball is in your court, park, yard. The ball is in your court. Number 9. Spill the water, milk, beans. Spill the beans. Number 10. Burn the midnight oil, candle, light. Burn the midnight oil. Number 11. When pigs swim, jump, fly. When pigs fly. Number 12. A blessing in disguise, surprise, place. A blessing in disguise. Number 13. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone, stick, hand. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Number 14. Cry over spilled juice, milk, water. Cry over spilled milk. Number 15. A dime, a dozen, penny, minute. A dime a dozen. Number 16. Back to the drawing. Paper, book, board. Back to the drawing board? Number 17. Beat around the bush, tree, fence. Beat around the bush. Number 18. Between a rock and a hard place, wall, ground. Between a rock and a hard place. Number 19. Bite off more than you can. Chew, swallow, eat. Bite off more than you can. Chew. Number 20. By the skin of your teeth, bones, hands. By the skin of your teeth. All right, language lovers, how'd you do on those idioms? Were you a master of metaphors, or did some leave you stumped? Share your score and any tricky ones in the comments. If you enjoyed flexing your idiom muscles, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun quizzes and language explorations. Until next time, keep learning and keep expressing yourself.